Hi dear friends, how are you all? In our previous video, we have discussed different functions of human resource management. In this video, we will be discussing managerial functions of human resource management. What are the managerial functions of human resource management? Managerial functions of human resource management. Managerial function is one of the three functions of human resource management. Managerial functions involve planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling the work of those who are entrusted with performing of operative functions. Which means managerial functions consist of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Let us know what are the different types of functions and let us discuss in detail. As it's already discussed, managerial functions of human resource management are broadly divided into 5, namely planning function, organizing function, staffing function, and then directing function and controlling function. Let us now discuss in detail about all these 5 functions. Planning. In this function of human resource management, the number and type of employees needed to accomplish organizational goals is determined. Research is an important part of this function. Information collected and analyzed to identify current and future human resource needs and to forecast changing values, attitude, and behavior of employees and their impact on organization. Which means in this function, a research should be done as per the requirement of the projects in the company. So depending upon the requirement, we need to identify the future requirements of human resource with regards to the project requirement. So which means planning of human resource happens in a company depending upon the requirement of the project. Then comes the organizing. In an organization, tasks are allocated among its members, relationships are identified, activities are integrated towards a common objective. Relationships are established among the employees so that they can collectively contribute to the alignment of organizational goal. Resources in an organization are to be organized properly for achieving the organizational goals. For doing this, all the members in an organization, which is human resource of a company, are identified and work together as a team, maintain good relationship with each other and with the company for reaching the organizational goals. Then comes directing. Activating employees at different level and making them contribute maximum to the organization is possible through proper direction motivation. Tapping the maximum potentialities of the employees is possible through motivation and command. Which means there should be a proper direction given to an employee in a company. Without direction, it is very difficult for an employee to proceed ahead. So, direction is one of the major functions of human resource management, which helps the organization to give a direction to the employee or the resource in a right way, which helps in motivating the employee as well. So, by having a proper direction and motivation, it is very easy for taking the maximum output from an employee. Then comes staffing. Staffing is one of the key functions of human resource management, as staffing is the process of employing right people, providing suitable training and placing them in the right job by paying them accordingly and satisfactorily. Which means staffing is very important for any organization. Staffing can also be defined as recruiting or hiring right people for the right job, which helps the project or the company in achieving the goals. So staffing plays a major role in managing the resource for the betterment of the organization. Then finally comes the controlling. After planning, organizing and directing, the actual performance of employees are checked, verified and compared with the plans. If the actual performance is found deviated from the plan, control measures are required to be taken. Controlling is the final function after planning, organizing, directing, which helps in knowing and verifying the performance of employees. If the actual performance is meeting with the planned performance, then the company and the resource are going the right direction. If there is a deviation from the project plan, then the actual control measures to be taken for guiding the resource in a right direction. Here we conclude that we have understood the managerial functions of human resource management. If you have any queries or questions, please comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out by answering your queries. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.